Okay everyone, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a WordPress post or a WordPress page. This is an example of one that I put in a post earlier, and we're going to put a photo in a post. So to begin with, we need to be in the dashboard or the back end of the site, and I'll just go to the main part of that, which you'll see here. So that's the dashboard you'll get used to seeing, and we are going to create a new post. In order to do that, I'm going to click or hover over posts and go to add new. Now you can add an image to a post, a page, a new one, an existing one, whatever you like. I'm going to give this a title. I'm going to click in the content area, and if I want to, I can be typing text here. So you could have text here, and I'm doing this to demonstrate to you that where your cursor goes next is where the image will go. So I've moved my mouse, clicked in between the paragraph here, and I want to put an image here. To insert an image, it's pretty simple. You click on this add media, which is a small icon of looks like a camera and some musical note, and I click on that and it opens the add media window. Now you can choose if you want it from a computer, a URL, or a media library. A media library is existing images you've uploaded. I'm going to choose a file from my hard drive. Now you can drag and drop a file into this area, but we're just going to select one. Now I'm going to choose the photo of a koala. Now if I look at the properties of this, you'll be able to see that it's a 762 kilobyte photo. It's quite large, which is why it's taken a little while to upload, and this will depend on the speed of your internet connectivity. What WordPress does is crunch down the size of that and make it a lot quicker to view and easier to view, and then you'll also see that it gives us some options on how we want to present that, where we want to align it, what size we want to present it at, and if we want that image to link to anything. So that's almost finished now, and we're done. Okay, thanks for waiting. Next thing is you'll see that it gives you a small thumbnail of it so you know which image you're talking about. It gives that image a title. In this case it's koala. That's because the image itself had a hidden description of koala. If you didn't have one, it would call it the file name that you have. Alternate text, you could have alternate text for an image. This helps with search engine optimization, or if the image doesn't come up, it'll show this. I can write a caption, and this basically puts a bit of description. This is a koala. Pretty easy. This next description thing is something you can have more in depth, a description of that image. In here, we've got the link URL, and that is basically the web address or the URL of where people will be sent to if they click on that image once it's in the post. So if I click on none, it's going to empty that. I'm going to click on file URL, or I can attach a post to it, which is the post that it's in now. I'm going to click file URL, which means that when people click on it, they can view a larger version of it. Now, I can decide how that's aligned, and I'm going to make it left aligned here. And then I can also choose what size it's going to present at. And we're going to leave it on medium, which is a sort of a nice size. And we're going to click on insert into post. So that's going to insert it exactly where I wanted it. I've said I've wanted it left aligned, so it's taken that text that was underneath it and squeezed it to the left of it. If I am not happy with that, I'm going to click on the image itself, click on edit image, and I'm just going to say none here, update it, and now it's put it in between the text. Okay, you can see the caption here is below that, which is what we put in. And let's publish this right now by clicking publish, and now that's sent live for people to look at. If I go now to the tab which shows me the front end or the live site, and I do a refresh of that, there it is, the post with the image in it. Now if I click on that image to show you, bang, it brings up a really large version of that image. I'm going to click back, and that's because I made the link URL go to that image. So let's edit some things in there. You can click on edit here, and that'll allow you to edit the post, but I am still in the back end. I've just published it, and I'm going to click edit this post, so I can go back into that post. If you couldn't find it, you can always look in all posts and you'll find it. So after this, I might say, you know what, I want to change this description down here. Once you click on the image, it'll turn blue, and you can click on edit image. I might capitalize that and give it a descriptive here. This is a cute koala, and I'm going to take the link URL out. Click update again, then update the web page. I'm going to go to the front end here now, the live section. This is what everybody will see. I've done a refresh. It's changed the description or the caption as I wanted it. Now I can't click on the image. So it's not a URL anymore. It's not live. It's not hyperlinked to anything. And that's that. So to get rid of it, all I need to do is go back to edit mode, click on the image, click delete image, update, go to the live site again, do a refresh so that we can see what's really going on. And the image is gone completely. I hope that's of help to you.